Welcome back to another episode of Bass Bros, and today, guys, I'm gonna be snowshoeing into this backcountry lake, doing some tarp camping, doing some ice fishing, and just enjoying the beautiful Michigan winter wilderness. So come along and join me. It's gonna be a fun one. It's about a 2.5 mile hike into this lake, which they stock it with rainbow trout, so that is the target species while ice fishing. This will be very useful for starting a fire tonight. Does anybody know if this is just part of the tree or if it's a chaga mushroom? But if it is, chaga is a mushroom, like I said, that grows on birch trees, and it actually is an incredibly good fire starter and tinder, and you can also use it to make sort of a coffee type drink. But I'm not too sure on this, so we're gonna leave it for now, but it's something I'm trying to learn to identify. Made it to the campsite back here at this lake, and it is a super small body of water, so fishing early ice, I'm optimistic that it's gonna be locked up pretty good. But we're gonna go check the ice, hopefully drill a few holes, and then we'll get down to fishing later. This is such a beautiful spot out here. There's a solid about 4 or 5 inches of ice, so I like the look of that. But the reason I chose this lake is that, like I said, it has stocked rainbow trout, which they usually stay in some shallow areas, so I don't have to go too far out. So I'm gonna drill a few holes around here, maybe find like 4 feet of water, and then let them settle down a little bit as I get firewood, and then come back and try to do some fishing. Now, I've never fished for trout through the ice, so this is something very new to me, but it should be a fun adventure. But there is also this dead and down tree just sitting right here with some structure. So I might check around this because fish like structure, right? I like this hole a lot. It seems to be like 6-7 feet of water right next to this tree. So I'm pretty confident that if there's gonna be a fish swimming by, I'll probably get him out of here. But on to the more important measures for right now. I need to get my shelter up and collect firewood for the night so I don't freeze. I think it's a pretty good spot. Just gotta set up a tarp behind me. Well, we got the tarp all up. It's not the best shelter I've ever made, but I think it should work, at least hopefully. Got a nice piece of standing deadwood here. All right, we're looking pretty good on wood here. I have a bunch of small chopped up pieces that I'm gonna use to get a big fire up and going. And then once we have that, throughout the night, I'm gonna slide in these really big logs periodically through the night to keep a fire going so that we have some heat circulating in here all night. But anyways, let's see if we can get on a little evening bite over here. I'm super excited. Gonna be using this Swedish pimple tipped with some wax worms. Let's see if we can find something. Oh my gosh, there's a fish. The fish, literally first cast. Oh my gosh, it's a little trout. Let's go, dude, no way. We did it, let's go. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Literally instantaneously. That was literally like seconds since I dropped it down there. Beautiful little trout. Back down he goes. Oh my gosh, guys. That is absolutely ridiculous. Let's drop it down, see if we can find another one. There's another one. There's another fish. Yep, come here. Let's go, dude. Another beautiful little rainbow trout. I love it when a good plan comes together, guys. Oh my gosh. Back down he goes. Let's go. Just right next to this down structure right here, I picked the perfect spot. And we got no electronics, so I actually have no idea what's down here, but we're finding fish. This is so cool. Oh, we got a bite, we got a bite, we got another one. Yep, come here, dude. Oh my gosh, we absolutely found the fish here today. Another beautiful trout. You can tell they're stockers because they got no adipose fin here. It's been clipped. But there he goes. This has got to be one of the coolest winter trips I've ever done. I literally just found this lake online, saw that it was stocked with rainbows and that there was a campsite on it, and I was like, you know what? Let's go see if we can find some fish. And I've never fished for trout through the ice before, first time ever, and we've caught 3 so far in about like 10 minutes. This is just such an amazing spot. Just have our birch bark from earlier. It is definitely a tight squeeze in here, but it is super warm. So you'll love to see it. For dinner, just brought some pierogies. Let's cook them up. I also brought an onion, but I forgot my knife, so I have no way to cut that up. So we're just doing pierogies with some butter, of course. Got the first batch done here. They're looking quite amazing. Oh yeah. These are just the perfect thing for winter camps because they just gotta stay frozen anyways, and you just warm them up real quick. Got some hot chocolate to warm up the soul before I head to bed, even though it's only like 6 o'clock right now, but got nothing better to do. So just gonna drink some hot chocolate, do some reading, and eventually drift off to sleep here. I have no idea what animal call that was. I've never heard anything like that before. Just got a weather forecast here for the night, and the low seems to be about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so not too bad. Fire's up and rolling. Look at how big of a fire we got there. So about to drift off to sleep. Catch you guys in the morning, unless something crazy happens at night. Good morning, everybody. I woke up about every 2 hours to stoke the fire to stay somewhat warm, but
This is definitely one of the colder nights that I've spent tarp camping before. And I think it just has to do with this fire ring because it's kind of blocking the heat from coming to me. So it's like super cold down here where I'm actually laying. It's warm up here, but yeah, so I think that really made a big difference as to how cold it got last night for me. It's time to start cooking some breakfast here, and I realized I forgot my coffee. Now I'm really sad, but we got some maple sausage and some nice bread dough that is actually frozen, so we might just be eating sausage. Got the sausage done. Oh yeah, still a little hot. The sun is just beginning to come up. I'm gonna quickly tear down camp after I finish this, get everything packed up, and then go out and do a little bit more ice fishing before we head off. Just gonna be fishing down in the same hole as yesterday. See if there's another one around here. Of course I wasn't recording, but we got another trout. Another beautiful little rainbow to start the day. So cool, dude. Quickly get them back.
Anyways, this is where we're gonna end today's video. It was very fun out there doing some ice fishing, some winter camping. That was actually my first ice fishing send of the 25-26 season. So super stoked about that. But if you guys do enjoy videos like this, be sure to subscribe, leave a fat thumbs up because I have a new one coming out every single week. But anyways, as always folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know.